Hello, those of you who live in North Carolina or are looking to purchase or refinance a home in North Carolina. We're going to talk about your FHA options and the lenders that may offer the program for you. So one of the great things about FHA loans is the small down payment, flexible income requirements, very flexible credit score requirements. You can have scores as low as 500 with an FHA loan. When your score is that low, the down payment is a little higher at 10%. The other thing that you need to know is if you're looking for a home that might need a little work, the FHA 203K rehab loan is available for you. I'm going to link to that video right here in the corner so you can learn more about that rehab loan program that FHA offers. That's a great program if you want to get a home at a little bit of a reduced cost and then put some work into it to bring it up to your standards. So regardless, there's going to be quite a few lenders that can help you. We're going to help you find that optimal lender for you depending on your situation. Just follow down below in the first pinned comment and also in the description. I'm going to link to us at nonprimelenders.com. We can fill out the form there. Someone will get right back to you. We'll have a conversation no matter what your situation is. There's probably a way we can make this work. So thanks again for watching today, and I hope you have a great day.